find the quotient of 726 in 3 using the long division method. First, let's set up our place value chart. Let's start with 6 ones, 2 tens, and 7 hundreds. Now we have 726 in the place value chart with 3 groups below to represent dividing by 3. Let's start solving now. Always remember that in dividing numbers, we should start from the left digit of the dividend to the right. So here we'll be dividing 7 hundreds by 3. Let's see how here in the place value chart. We'll take 7 hundreds and share it into 3 equal groups. Let's see how this works. We have 100, 200, 300. We still have more, so we'll keep going. 400, 500, 600. As you can see, we have 2 number discs in each group, or 2 hundreds with 1 disc remaining. We will write 2 above the digit 7. Let's look at the place value chart again. We have 3 groups of 200s, or in multiplication sentence, we can write this as 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. We will write 6 directly below the digit 7. Next, let's subtract 6 from 7. That gives us 1. Then let's bring down the next digit. Looking back in our place value chart, since we cannot put this 1 left over into any group into its own, because if we're going to do that, it won't be shared equally then. So, what we're gonna do is, we have to exchange it. We will exchange this 100 disc into 10 tens. Next step is, we will divide 12 tens into 3 equal groups. That gives us 4 tens in each group. It means 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. We will write 4 above the digit 2. Next, let's look at the place value chart again. We have 3 groups of 4 tens, or in multiplication sentence, we can write this as 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. We will write 12 directly below number 12. Now, let's subtract these 2 numbers, and that gives us 0. Then let's bring down the last digit. This time, let's divide 6 ones into 3 equal groups. That gives us 2 ones in each group. It means 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. We will write 2 above the digit 6. Let's look at the place value chart again. We have 3 groups of 2 ones, or in multiplication sentence, we can write this as 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. Now, we are going to write 6 directly below the digit 6. For the last step, let's subtract these two numbers. And that gives us 0. Therefore, the quotient of 726 and 3 is 242. Find the quotient of 846 and 2 using the short division method. In here, we have 846 as our dividend, or the amount that we are going to share, and 2 as our divisor. Now let's start with hundreds. Let's share 8 hundreds into 2 equal groups. As you can see, 8 hundreds divided into 2 equal groups, we've got 4 hundreds in each group. We will write 4 directly below the digit 8. Next, let's proceed to tens. Let's share 4 tens into 2 equal groups. So, 4 tenths divided into 2 equal groups, we've got 2 tenths in each group. We will write 2 directly below the digit 4. This time, let's share 6 ones into 2 equal groups. As you can see, 6 ones divided into 2 equal groups, we've got 3 ones in each group. We will write 3 directly below the digit 6. Therefore, the quotient of 846 and 2 is 423.